So I just want to share this with you. I had a first-time client in today, and we did for such a time as this, emotional release session, just to get a baseline as to where they're at and what's going on in their life. Well, it was kind of funny because I have three bags of oils, and they are, for the most part, all into different oils. I have a few that are in like my raindrop oils for my raindrop technique. I keep those all in a row just to make sure I have everything I need, because you never know when I need to do a mini raindrop or something while I'm out. Well, they saw the oils and they're like, oh my goodness, all those oils, what do you do with those? And I'm like, well, I have some that I use absolutely almost every day, but the rest of them are there for just special occasions. And they're like, oh my, that's just so much. And I was just like, knowing them, the little bit that I do and what they'd shared, I was like, well, let's look at it this way. How many shoes do you have in your closet? Or how much clothing do you have? And they stopped and they're like, well, I have quite a bit. She's like, well, I have lots of shoes because I really like shoes. I said, and do you use them every day? She's like, oh no, I have shoes that go with specific outfits and specific dresses. And I'm like, so you have shoes that match specific needs or attires. Well, it's the same thing with the essential oils. My oils match different emotions, mindsets, physical needs, or even spiritual needs. And she was like, wow, that's awesome. I just thought that was really cute. And it's just one of those mindsets. It's kind of like, it may look like a lot, but yet, hey guys, think about what we have. We don't have just one fork to share with the whole entire family. We have a whole set of silverware. It's okay. It's okay if you have oils that you haven't researched yet and you don't know how to use them yet, but you got them for free. So hey, it can't be all bad. That's a blessing in itself. And it's okay if you have oils that you only use very rarely. And it's okay that you have those oils that you use every single day. I have my morning protocol that I start with, my Happy Me protocol. I use those oils every single day. I don't go without them. If I do, I can tell. Just wanted to bless you guys with that. I am Michelle Wint, educator, life advocate, and practitioner with standingthegap.com, and I am standing the gap from where you are to where you can and want to be. Be blessed.